Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question 57. Calculate the value of Q if the mean of 3, 5, Q and 9 is 6, A 0, B 17, C 7 and D 2. So we have to calculate the value of Q if the mean of the following numbers is 6. Now, like we know, mean here simply means what? Average. Mean simply means average. And now to calculate the mean or to find the average of this set of numbers here, we have the numbers are 3, 5, Q, which is the unknown, and 9. So we have 4 numbers here. That is the total numbers. The number is equals to what? That's 4. We have 4 numbers here. Now to find the mean or the average of these numbers, what happens? We take the sum of these numbers and divide it by the what? By the number of the numbers. So therefore we say mean is equal to what? To the sum. Mean is equal to the sum of numbers or quantity all over the what? All over the total number of the quantity or the numbers. Now the sum of the numbers, it means that what? We're going to add all these numbers together, and the total number of these numbers is equals to what? Is equals to 4. The total number is equal to 4. Remember we have 4. That's 3 1 5 2 Q 3 and 9 4. Now our mean is given to us as 6, so that means 6 is equal to 3 plus 5 plus Q plus 9 all over 4. Now we will sum up this. 3 plus 5 will give us what? Will give us 8, and 8 plus 9 will give us what? Will give us 17. Then we'll have what? Plus Q. So this is equal to what? 17 plus Q all over 4. That is 6, which is the mean, is equals to 17 plus Q all over 4. So therefore we have that what? 6 is equal to 17 plus Q over 4. Now we cross multiply. When we cross multiply, this 4 here we multiply 6, because this 6 is essentially 6 over 1, and this one here will multiply 17 plus Q. So therefore we'll have that what? 4 times 6 will give us what? 24 is equal to 17 plus Q. Now we have 24 is equal to 17 plus Q. To find Q, we subtract what? 17 from both sides, and so therefore we have that what? Q is equal to 24 minus 17, and this is equal to 7. 24 minus 17 will give us what? 7. So our answer is C. That means the value of Q is 7. Now let's check our answer if it's correct. 3 plus 5 will give us 8, plus 7 will give us 15, and plus 9 will give us what? Will give us 3 plus 5 will give us 8, 8 plus 7 will give us 15, which is our Q, and 15 plus 9 will give us what? 24. Now 24 divided by total numbers, which is 4, will give us 6. You can start it is correct. So our correct answer here is C, 7. So Q is 7. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.